G'day everybody and welcome back to Albert's Barbecue. Today it's everyone's favourite, pork spare ribs. And I'm also going to be making my honey jalapeno barbecue rub and barbecue sauce. This is goddamn delicious. Stay tuned. Now I know it's easy and convenient just to pop down to your local barbecue store and pick up a barbecue rub. But you can save so much money if you go and buy the ingredients individually and you can make your own delicious barbecue rub. This one is my honey jalapeno. I've added the ingredients in the description of the video. It's got a little bit of a kick with a nice little bit of sweetness as well. The good thing about making it yourself is if you want to ramp it up so it's super spicy, just throw in some more jalapeno. But if you don't like as much spice, just tone it down a little bit. The rub's made in the matter of minutes, and as well as the barbecue sauce. Again, the ingredients are in the description of the video, but this is a real super basic recipe for barbecue sauce. You've got your core ingredients there, such as molasses and tomato sauce, Worcestershire sauce, etc. And then all you need to do is go and grab your barbecue rub and throw in somewhere in the region of around 4 to 5 tablespoons. Give it a stir, let it simmer, get to the boil. So easy, job done. That rub and sauce will last you ages, and it's cost me somewhere in the region of around 20 Australian dollars. Turning our attention now to the pork ribs. Now these pork ribs, they're spare ribs, they're meaty, they're delicious, they're good quality, they're nice and thick. Let's start by pulling off that membrane. Grab yourself a butter knife and just slowly work it underneath that membrane. And then once you're all the way through, just simply rip it up. Okay, binders for your rub, entirely up to you. I'm a mustard man. You cannot really taste much difference when it comes to flavour. If you want to use oil, if you want to use sriracha, entirely up to you. But just give yourself a little bit of a coating so that rub can stick to your pork. As usual, coat both sides. I want these ribs to be delicious. The one thing I will say with your pork ribs, do not trim any fat that you see. It's going to render. It's there for a reason, to give flavour. So leave it alone. I've taken the easy way out today and I'm using my pellet smoker. I've got cherry flavoured pellets. I'm using this particular smoker today because it's Friday afternoon and I'm going to go down the pub and have a couple of beers with my mates. I've got this on a low temperature, anywhere between 200 to 225 degrees Fahrenheit is absolutely fine. Just let it smoke for some in the region of around 3 hours. Alright, so after a good storm, as you can see, we've got about 3 hours of smoke on those ribs and they're looking great. So we're going to go and wrap them up now in some honey, some butter, as well as some brown sugar. There's many different ingredients that you can use to wrap your ribs, but you always want to find something which is sweet. So nice and simple, brown sugar, honey, a little bit of butter, and then I'm going to put these ribs meat side down. If you want to get these cooking a little bit quicker, increase your temperature to about 275 Fahrenheit. Or if you're happy for it to just cook away nice and slowly, leave it at about 225, and then approximately 2 hours later, you're going to be seeing those bones poking out the outside there. Now I'm probing for simply checking the tenderness. Temperature, couldn't give it 2, but generally you're going to be looking at about 200 degrees Fahrenheit internal for those ribs. Flip them over and then sauce them up. At this point, you don't need 1 hour covered up. You're only going to need about 15 to 20 minutes, and then it's time to let them rest and enjoy some dinner. So I applied a double layer of that barbecue sauce. It's thick, it's shiny, it's glistening. They look delicious. Let's slice in and give them a try. They've got great colour. They're probably sliced a little bit too easily for my liking, but they look goddamn delicious. It's time to give it the all-important taste test. All right, so here we go. Honey jalapeno pork ribs. Let's go. That's finger licking, goddamn delicious. As you can see, made a mess of myself because it's so goddamn good. I'm gonna go inside, eat the rest. This is goddamn delicious. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you again in the next one. See you soon. Catch you later. Making your own barbecue rub, barbecue sauce is super easy. Give it a go. What have you got to lose? Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you again in the next video.